The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Alcatel One X Evolve for Metro by T-Mobile. So this is a new phone for Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now as of December 10th. So this is a budget smartphone, so they keep that in mind. It's available in blue here. It looks pretty nice. The phone looks decent, you know. This is a budget phone, like I said. So it says here Alcatel One X Evolve, a premium design for an affordable phone. So a budget phone, like I said, but you know, it is what it is. So the Alcatel One X Evolve has a 5.34 inch display there. It's FWVGA plus display, which is interesting. It has 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera. It has 16 gigabytes of RAM, 2 gigabytes of RAM there. So yeah, so that's the phone right there. I do like the luxury wallpaper. It looks pretty nice, and you have shortcuts to different applications like the phone, the microphone, the camera, and stuff like that. You have a front-facing camera, and you have an earpiece, and it looks like you might have software keys. I'm not sure, but on the right side of the phone you have power and volume button there. The Alcatel One X Evolve is free with porting, so that's pretty cool. If you guys want to get the phone for free, y'all guys put your number of the Metro by T-Mobile and get the phone for free. But you have to get it on a $50 or $60 plan. Plus you have to pay sales tax and fees for activation. But other than that, I mean, a free phone, just for a free phone is not bad. But the full retail price of the Alcatel One X Evolve is $189, so it is what it is. So the specs do reflected on that. So let's go take a phone around and take it for a spin. So there's a phone number there. I do like the wallpaper there, like I said. You guys get to see that it has your volume button and power button on the right side. On the back of the Alcatel One X Evolve, you guys have a camera flash out, Alcatel logo, and that's pretty much it. And on the left side you have your SIM tray and micro SIM card and micro and you have your SIM tray and memory card slot on the left. So I'm guessing the battery is not removable. So yeah. So your power button and volume button on the right side, your SIM card and micro SD card is on the left side. Alright. So it says here, the Alcatel One X Evolve offers a premium design for an affordable price. The 18:9 full view display provides 5.34 inches of award-winning TCL TV technology and a sleek design, enhanced with a soft suede blue finish and durable 2D dragon-tail glass. So it has TCL TV technology, and that's pretty interesting. And like I said, the specs has 5.34 inches, dragon tail, 18:9 ratio. It has protective 2D dragon tail glass, 2460 mAh battery, 8 megapixel rear camera with flash, and 5 megapixel front camera with screen flash. Alright, it has quad-core processor with speeds up to 1.1 GHz. So it's basically a 1.1 GHz quad-core processor. Processor chip, I have no idea. Pricing details. Full retail price of the Alcatel One X Evolve, like I said, $29. Also rebates if you switch. Yeah, you can get the phone for free if you switch and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. And you can find a Metro store to get this phone. Okay. So it has an 8 megapixel rear camera, snap edit and share, 2460 mAh battery, long lasting battery to power through your day, 5.34 inch display there, 18:9 full view. It is FWVGA plus display, so the resolution is not that great. Beautiful design. The premium suede finish, sleek sled design, and protecting dragon tail glass screen will turn heads and ensure your phone can withstand life scrapes and scratches. Alright. That's not the phone. This is not the Alcatel One X Evolve. This is a different phone. I'm not sure what phone this is. This is not the One X Evolve. it does not have fingerprint. So if you're expecting fingerprint on this phone, it does not have it. Immersive full view display. The 18 by 9 full view display maximizes on-screen content by minimizing border, so you can check more social updates and watch videos like they were intended to be seen. Okay. This one doesn't look like it has an 18 by 9 screen, but it does. It's kind of hard to tell, but it does have that. Capture moments worth sharing. Moments are better shared, which is why the Alcatel One X Evolve has enhanced camera experience that lets you snap, edit, and easily share creative photos that stand out. Battery life you can count on. With a 2460 mAh battery, you get up to 21 hours of talk time and a single charge, giving you an all-day battery that always has your back. Here's a video. I'm gonna try to play this video for y'all. So if you guys want to check out this video, y'all guys can check it out. It's a minute and 17 seconds. So yeah. So let's see if it plays this thing. You know what, I'm not even going to bother to play the video, but if you guys want to check out the video, go ahead and check it out. It's a minute and 17 seconds long. If you guys want to get accessories for the Alcatel One X Evolve, check them out here. I don't know if there are any accessories on Amazon yet for this phone, so keep checking Amazon for that. So yeah. So yeah, the specs on here are they're meh. This is a budget phone, like I said. The Android version, I have no idea. I think it runs Oreo. I think it does run Oreo. I think 8.1 Oreo. I believe it. The OS 8.1 Oreo. So that's not too bad. I don't know if it's going to get Pi. I doubt it, because Alcatel is not. It's not known to update phones anyway. So this phone will probably be on 8.1 forever. But if you guys are looking to get a backup phone, a trap phone, or whatever, this phone could be worth checking out. I do like the lock screen wallpaper. It looks very nice. And that's pretty much. It's probably the only thing I like about this phone is the lock screen wallpaper. Other than that, meh. I mean, this is a budget phone. This is a free phone when you guys put your number of the Metro on a $50 or $60 plan, so do keep that in mind. So the full retail price of the Alcatel One X Evolve is $109, so it is what it is. The price do reflect that. It's worth getting it for free. Definitely, it's definitely worth it for free for a backup phone, first time phone for a kid or whatever. So yeah, that is, guys, the Alcatel One X Evolve, now available at Metro by T-Mobile for free for porting, or $199 for retail. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.